Cloud computing is a model for delivering computing resources over the internet. It allows users to access and use shared computing resources, such as servers, storage, and applications, on demand, rather than having to build, maintain, and manage their own physical infrastructure. Cloud computing providers offer a range of services, including infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. IaaS provides access to computing resources, such as virtual machines, storage, and networking, while PaaS provides a platform for developers to build, test, and deploy applications. SaaS is a software delivery model in which users access and use software applications over the internet, typically on a subscription basis. Cloud computing has several benefits, including reduced costs, increased flexibility and scalability, and improved reliability and security. It allows users to pay for only the computing resources they use, rather than having to invest in and maintain their own physical infrastructure. It also enables users to scale up or down their computing resources as needed, and to access their applications and data from anywhere with an internet connection.